Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you Oreo Haupia bar. Crush Oreo cookies into small pieces. This can be done by keeping them in the package and crushing them with a wooden spoon or dowel, placing them in a Ziploc bag and crushing, or pulsing in a food processor for about 30 seconds. Transfer the crushed cookies into a mixing bowl. Drizzle the melted butter over the cookies and mix well to combine. Press the mixture evenly into a pan to form the crust. Then place in the freezer while preparing the topping. In a medium pot, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and gelatin, whisking well to remove any lumps. Heat over medium heat while stirring until the sugar dissolves and the mixture begins to steam. Do not allow the mixture to simmer or boil, as this will destroy the gelatin. Pour the coconut mixture over the chilled Oreo crust and refrigerate for at least 4 to 5 hours or up to 5 days before cutting into bars or squares. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.